We've all felt that desperation, that moment where you think, if there is any justice, let them see what they've done to me. It's the sting of betrayal, not by a person, but by circumstance when your effort seems to meet only ridicule. If you know that feeling, you need to understand this. True justice doesn't come from others' apologies. It comes from reality itself, which ultimately rewards the silent architects over the noisy spectators. Have you ever shared a dream, only to be met with laughter? You think too much? Get a job first? From that day, your voice fades, yet observe closely those who fall silent often surge ahead. Why? There's a pattern. The perpetually vocal appear drained, tied to the treadmill of public opinion. Those who speak less hold a quiet confidence. They don't announce plans or earnings. Then, one day, you learn they've bought the house, the car, transformed their life. Their silence wasn't empty. It was strategic. I'm not here with motivational fluff. I'm here with the truth 99% avoid. Money isn't made from hard work alone, but from control. And the first mastery is self-control, starting with your speech. Control your words, and you harness your energy, time, and focus. This video outlines 3 rules. Miss the second, and you'll spend a lifetime explaining, not building. We're taught to express ourselves, but no one warned us. Sharing a nascent dream exposes it to cheap commentary. Each doubting laugh is a weight on your spirit. I've seen it at home. Mention money or ambition, and unsolicited advice floods in. That won't work in our day. The rich didn't find better advisors. They stopped listening to the committee of doubt. They understood the talker ties his future to others' opinions, seeking approval. The silent one ties his future to action, seeking opportunity. Which team are you on? If every day someone questions your plan, your mind wrestles with replies, not results. This is why many stay busy but never wealthy. Silence isn't weakness. It's a deliberate shield. It protects your focus from the fragmentation of doubt and friendly fire. Your family may urge safe play from a fear that your success highlights their own compromises. Society cheers the average and sidelines the different. Silence deflects these labels. It lets you build unseen. Here's the bitter truth. Your biggest critics often share your roof. In the name of concern, they drain your courage. But if you fail, they'll say, "We told you so." So, what's the benefit of speaking? A dangerous trap awaits. Wanting to prove people wrong more than wanting to become rich. This shifts focus to status over substance, and you lose the power of quiet execution. Announcing plans creates invisible pressure. Your mind races. What will they think? What if I fail? This pressure paralyzes action. The wealthy create the result first. The announcement comes later, or never. I've seen people post monthly earnings online for years, going nowhere. I've seen others, silent for a decade, suddenly emerge transformed. Who held the real power? Silence is a shield against a world that supports you only while you're average. Step out and you're crazy or arrogant. Those who laugh at your words often await your failure. So, let them wait. Your most dangerous reply is success. True silence means, I know myself beyond your validation. Cross this line, and you separate from the crowd. This is where money begins to flow. But silence alone is passive. The final, crucial rule: silence only works when action makes the noise. There's a direct link between quietude and income. Talking less sharpens observation. You start listening to the market, identifying problems, the birthplace of business and skill. The rich value time too highly to waste it on debates that steal focus. Money is minted in the factory of uninterrupted concentration. Consider this. A poor man sells his plans and begs for respect with words. A rich man shows his results and commands respect with silence. The ultimate peace comes not from applause, but from immersion in work. When the need for show-off dies, a deep stability takes root. Ask yourself now, is your silence born of fear of being seen or failing? Or is it born of strength, a choice to preserve your energy for creation? The transformation begins the day you stop performing for the crowd and start building for your future self. The crowd makes noise. History is written by the quiet who change systems while others talk. The choice is stark. Spend your life announcing what you'll do, or spend it quietly accomplishing it. Applause comes from victory, not promises. Which path do you choose? If this truth connects, let your first action be a quiet vow to yourself. The journey forward begins not with a shout, but with a determined, silent step.